name's Hebron. I've been coming to Aspire since the middle of January. I'm enjoying coming here because it lets me express my feelings and it's helped me get my mind off my stress and anxiety in my life, and it's just a really nice way to get out of problems, and then it helps me face them as well.
I'm Morgan and I've been coming here for around 2 months now, and I really enjoy it because it's very fun listening to the music and writing my own shows and just being here with all different kinds of people.
Hi, so I've been attending Changing Gears here for just over 2 months now, and I enjoy my time here a lot, find it very productive, and working in music engineering and beat producing with Owen has helped me build my confidence, giving me a better insight in the way things work. I've always had a very strong passion for music in general as well, and by working with Owen and doing this sort of thing, it's helped me to express myself in ways I couldn't.
We've had a really good visit to Panteg at the building of Changing Gears and looking at the Inspire project, which has worked with young people, many of whom are no longer in school for one reason or another, and it's been working to give additional skills in things like bicycle maintenance, DJing, the use of musical instruments, and putting together a variety of recordings. It's been a very impressive visit, and I've been so pleased to meet some of the young people involved here and their tutors and supporters.